Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear friend. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Have a nice day. Friends, I am again present for your serve online system. The lecture number 5, computer networking devices. This is very important. Please concern with me till the end of this lecture, and please note it in your copy. And this is a very important and mandatory lecture about networking devices, right? So friends, let's start now. Contents means what we will discuss in this lecture. Number 1, introduction, hub and usage of hub. Number 2, introduction, switch and usage of switch. Number 3, introduction, router and usage of router. So first we will discuss on the hub. A hub, also called a network hub, is a common connection point for devices in a network. Hubs are devices commonly used to connect segments of a LAN. The hub contains multiple ports. When a packet arrives at one port, it is copied to the other ports so that all segments of the LAN can see all packets. And other thing is that you have to keep in your mind, friends. Hub is also work on which layer of OSI model? Physical layer of OSI model. And hub is also broadcast. In same case, what is broadcast? Broadcast means hub have to authority to send the data one PC to all PCs in one time in any single LAN, local area network. That's called hub. Hub is also used for a PC send the data to all PCs, right? Next, scenario of hub. This is a scenario of hub. Suppose, let example, any organization used LAN with the hub, and two PCs connected with 4 PCs connected with each other, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, suppose, and one PC can be share the data PC number 3, means particular, but hub cannot work on particular, means that data also send one PC to 2, 3, 4, means all PCs send and receive the data. That's called hub device on the network. That's work of hub, right? Hopefully clear about, friends, about hub device. Next is switch. The basic function that any switch is supposed to perform is to receive information from any source connected to it and dispatch that information to the appropriate destination only. This thing differentiates switches from hub. Hub gets the information and forwards that to every other device in the network. And switch is also which layer of work of OSI model used? Data link layer of OSI model used. And switch is also unicast. As I compare, then broadcast means hub. In this case, hub also send the packets one PC to another all PCs, means all PCs, and switch have not authority that one PC to all PCs, means switch is also used particular PC, means one PC talk to another one PC, means particular PC, which have to need able to share the data with each other. That's called switch, and that's called unicast, right? So friends, you have to suggest, please clearly about both of these two terms, right? Next is a scenario switch. Suppose left hand hub and this is right hand switch. In this case, hub sends the one data in one time all PCs, right? And switch used one data which type of needable receiver side. Suppose one PC to another PC talk with each other. That's called switch. Next is router. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as web page or email, is in the form of data packets. And other thing you have to keep in your mind, a router work on which layer of OSI model? Network layer of OSI model, right? And give for real path to data reach the destination. You have to cover it in previous OSI model. You have to remember, right? Routers work on physical layer, network layer of OSI model and give the real path to the data reach to the side of destination, means receiver side. And router is also used for two or more than two different network to combine each other. That's called router. Clear friends about router, switch and hub. And other thing you have to keep in your mind, router devices create router for transmitting data packets. Router is used to connect two or more different networks, right? And routers carry the information to the form of packets, right? So let's quick scenario of router. This is scenario, left hand one lane and second right hand one lane, means two combine and used with the help of routers, means collections of two different network communicate with each other with the help of router. So thank you for your watching, friends. If you cannot getting my point, please watch this video again. Inshallah you also solve that your problem. And also please share this my video to your all educated families and educated friends, and please subscribe and share this my YouTube channel, please. And also we will again meet on next lecture, inshallah. Thanks for watching, and keep smiling on your face. God bless you. Again, thanks for watching.